I am from Fatehabad, Haryana. I came here in programming club, Delhi. I have learned so many things here like robotics, app development and more. I have learned innovation and entrepreneurship here, and you can see my robot made with my innovative ideas, and here is the sensor. You can Robot will sense the object near about the robot, and here is the grabber will helps to grab the object near about it, and here is the app made and here is the app will this app will control the robot, and this is made in MIT App Inventor. Now I will show you about how it works. Let's see. And I am also developing an app about maths formulas for class 10 because I am also in class 10. So I am developing this app to help the student